everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you have got an issue with an order, payment or a seller on AliExpress and you need help, today I will show you all the legit ways to contact AliExpress customer service: chat, email, phone, social media, plus tips so they respond faster. Let's get started. First step is use the live chat or EVA bot. For that, open your AliExpress app or website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then tap on this account icon at the bottom right and go to Help Center or Customer Service section. Scroll down and go to Online Service. The EVA chatbot will greet you. If your issue is not resolved by the bot, it often offers to connect you with a human agent. This method is the fastest if you need an answer right away. Second step, send an email. If your issue requires attachments like photos or needs a detailed explanation, email support is good. Use addresses like these for different purposes. Include your order number, what went wrong, and what you would like them to do. Third step, phone or regional support. If you prefer calling or issue is urgent, you can try regional phone numbers. For example, 408-785-5580 in the USA or 852-2215-5100 for Hong Kong. Be aware these often connect to broader offices, so sometimes you'll be guided back to chat or email. It helps to call during business hours in your region. And if chat and email are slow, try messaging AliExpress on Facebook, Instagram or Twitter. Send a direct message with brief info like your username, order number and issue. Public channels sometimes speed up replies. And let me give you a sample script to use. Here you will be mentioning your name, your email address, your order number and date. And that's how to contact AliExpress customer service via chat, email, phone or social media. Make sure you have your order info and screenshots ready so things go smoothly. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe for more helpful guides and leave a comment about which method worked fastest for you. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in next one.